Hello everyone, this time I have brought an exciting amortization tool with rate revision features and the balloon payments feature as well. Let me show you quick demonstration. You can add your principal. Let's say you went to the bank and you asked for $1 million. So you just enter $1 million and you want to pay back in, let's say, 20 years. And how you will pay it? Will you make an annual payment? Will you make a half yearly payment, or you will do a monthly payment? So let's assume we are going to do an annual payment. So let's select annually. So total payments are 20 periods, right? And let's say we have acquired this debt at the rate of 12%, right? So at the 12%, this is your periodic payment, and this periodic payment contains this interest rate, this principal, and this gonna be the balance at the end of first year, and this gonna be balance. So let's assume when you reach after fifth year, right? Your rate has revised, right? And now you are going to make your payments at the rate of 8%. So you simply add 8% here and you will see your periodic payment has revised, and that's how your amortization has came to zero at the end of all the periods, right? Similarly, you can add multiple rates at the multiple intervals. So let's say now your rate has revised to 5%, and at the end of 16th year, let's say you made a balloon payment of $100,000. So this has been adjusted from your balance, and the rest has been calculated for the rest of the period, and your PMT has also adjusted accordingly. You can also change this into your half yearly payment methods, right? So this will increase your periods. It will be total 40 payments, right? And this will be adjusted accordingly. Similarly, you can do a monthly payment as well. So your payments will be adjusted accordingly. So it's gonna be 240 periods for 20 years for $1 million at the rate of 12% initially, later 8%, and then 5% for the rest of the period. So I hope you like this amortization tool. So you can download from the description. The link is there. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now and share with others. Thank you so much.